Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Lay protests turn deadly. 4 killed in police firing amid statehood and 6th schedule demand. BJP office touched. Comes under GS3 internal security. The Lay administration has imposed restriction on gathering of 4 or more people as tensions remain high. The violence occurred just ahead of scheduled talks between Center and the Lay Apex body on October 6, following a 4-month gap in dialogue. The Ministry of Home Affairs stated that mob was incited by Sonam Wangchuk's proactive statement and accused certain individuals for sabotaging the dialogue process. Hunger strikes in. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk called off his 35-day hunger strike after the violence. Core demands and political response were extension of 6th schedule protection originally intended for Northeast, constitutional safeguards for land rights and cultural preservation. Government's position. MHA claims commitment to providing safeguards and has already increased reservation for Ladakh's scheduled tribes from 45% to 84%. Ladakh feels betrayed by center similar to J&K. Omar Abdullah, former J&K chief minister, expressing support for protesters. The Kargil Democratic Alliance has expressed sympathy for the protesters, viewing the Bandh after a reflection of failure of the unitary model. Sonam Wangchuk, the man behind the movement, born in 1966 in Alachi, Leh district, Ladakh, studied mechanical engineering at NIT Srinagar, also trained in earthen architecture at Crete, France. Wangchuk has emerged as prominent voice of Ladakhi rights and environmental conservation, combining his engineering expertise with grassroots activism. Wangchuk revolutionary innovation. Operation New Hope, launched around 1994 as a collaboration among government, community, and villages to reform government schools. Ice Stupa innovation, an igneous solution to artificially store winter water as cone-shaped ice towers that melt in spring to provide water when needed most. Ramon Magsaysay Award, recipient of Asia's Nobel Prize in 2018. International recognition, various national and international awards for sustainable architecture and innovation in harsh climate solution. Delhi government plans cloud seeding trials in October-November to combat winter pollution after DGCA clearance. Comes under GS3 Science and Technology. DGCA clearance received. Silver iodide method. The cloud seeding technique involves using silver iodide to induce precipitation and reduce smog. Timing adjustment. Trials were initially planned for August 30 to September 10 but postponed due to monsoon cloud. Air strategy. Initiative aligns with Delhi's comprehensive strategy for year-round clean air to protect public health during peak winter pollution. What is cloud seeding? Cloud seeding is a form of weather modification technology used to enhance precipitation, rain or snow, suppress hail or disperse fog. It's a process of artificially stimulating cloud to produce rain or snow. Cloud seeding methods and agents. Silver iodide, dry ice, sodium chloride, liquid propane. Delivery methods include aircraft spraying, ground generator, rocket and drones. Application of cloud seeding. Drought relief, increased rainfall in drought prone areas, water reservoir enhancement, agricultural protection, transportation safety. India confronts high salt consumption crisis, calls for multi-pronged strategy including public awareness, labeling and integration with the health programs. Come under GS3 Science and Technology. 8 to 11 grams salt intake. Indian adults consume approximately 8 to 11 grams daily. WHO recommends double the WHO's recommendation 5 to 6 grams per day. High salt intakes contribute significantly to the hypertension. National Multi-Sectoral Plan Action Plan, launched by the Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in 2019. Primary objective aims to reduce premature mortality due to non-communicable diseases. Multi-sectoral coordination involves health, agriculture, urban development, education, transport, environment, finance. Key targets by 2025: 30% relative reduction, 10% reduction in alcohol use, halt rise in obesity. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.